Hey there, this is Kurt Tashi with KurtTashi.com, and welcome to my Secret Cash System review. Now, what Secret Cash System is, it is a course that's going to teach you how to get better results with your affiliate marketing, basically how to massively multiply those results. So as it says here, it says, discover the Secret Cash System to sell any product the easy peasy way and earn continuous stream of income. You can find high converting products to sell in under 5 minutes, even if you are a clueless newbie. But you cannot sell hundreds of them if you do not have this system in place. So what you're going to learn in this course is you're going to learn how to put a system together to massively, massively multiply the results you're getting with your affiliate marketing campaigns. Okay? So I'm just going to scroll through the sales page real quick. I'm not going to spend too much time here. So this here, I want to show you a powerful system to achieve financial freedom. So here's where they explain the system, okay, where it's all involved. And have you ever wondered where all that money really comes from? It turns out there is some secret system that many are unaware of. So as you create the profit funnel, target traffic, email list with loyal subscribers, build a relationship, that's the most important thing in your business, and then bam, you got a new customer. And it says these internet marketers were not lucky. They use a simple system to the same one you are about to learn. So what in this they're saying that all the successful marketers, all the successful affiliates, they have a system. That's the reason why they're getting results. They have a specific system. And this, you're going to learn about what the system is and how to use it in this course. So he's the creator of the course right here, and he tells us about his story, where he came from, how he got started, and how his system and what he's done has helped him. Who needs this secret? Okay, if you're a podcaster, YouTuber, beginning of being an affiliate marketer, social media influencers, or all different types of people can benefit from this course. Okay, so now below here's some testimonials from people who have used the course. Okay, so I would highly suggest watching these testimonials and learning about how these people got theirs, what their results were, and why they like the course. It's always nice to see testimonials on a sales page. Okay, income proof, I don't really care about. I like seeing testimonials from people that, other than the product creator, that are using the system and getting results. So that's nice to see. And more reviews right here you can see. Okay, and it's a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is great. And bam. Now, the course is being sold for $27 on the front end. Now, here's what's different about this course, this product. There are no OTOs or upgrades or anything like that. There is simply one product, just the course. So there's no upgrades to go through. You're not going to be pitched with upgrades. So that's a good thing if you just want to get the course and be done with it. You don't want to go through all these upgrades. There's also some bonuses that the creators are offering, and I also have some bonuses as well, some custom bonuses that you can get down below in the description on my bonus page. Okay, so the bonuses that the creator is offering: you got a YouTube mass traffic strategy training video, you have a 30-minute Facebook traffic strategy, you got a bonus 40-minute conversion focused homepage training, and you get a 40-minute list building training video. So you're going to get all these for free when you order the product today. Now, you're going to get these products, these bonuses, no matter who you actually buy through, whatever affiliate. To get my custom bonuses, you have to buy through my link, which is on my bonus page down below. Okay. So, I hope you enjoyed this review of Secret Cash System. I'm not going to do a walkthrough or a demo of the product because it's a course, so there's really no need to do a walkthrough. It's just go in there, learn the course, and boom, that's it. But it's something that I think it's something that's really going to help a lot of people. I think the problem with affiliate marketing is that so many people are getting into it that don't really know what they're doing, and they're getting confused, and most people just up and quit because it gets too overwhelming. I think this course is really going to help people learn and implement a system that's working for a lot of other people, and it makes it really easy to do so. So with that, thank you very much for watching my Secret Cash System review.